talk to my clients about improving their woodlands in a wildlife habitat enhancement and improvement way. And when I come across a really good example of deer activity in particular, it's always good to ask why they're here. And I hope you can hear me. It's very windy today, especially over on this side of my client's property. Let's check it out here. There are, look at the size of that buckra up there. And there's all sorts of buckrubs in and throughout this little pocket of woods. And just in an observation fashion, just looking around here, just point out a few points of observation. This little pocket of woods is surrounded by a field all the way around. It's fairly open until you get down here, and you can tell right here there was several trees that were blown down over the years, creating a lot of cover in this area. And that is west facing. So you can see here, look at all that mangled mess in there. So one thing to note from a landowner's perspective, trying to learn from just natural things that happen in the woods, like this blowdown that happened, creating cover, is how to do that, is how to do this in your woods. And you want to do it strategically. I've seen guys do it just kind of randomly, not really knowing what they're doing. But really, what happened here behind me is on edge feathering. There was a hard edge right there along that field, and then what happened with this wind event, it created opportunity for all sorts of plants, shrubs, trees. I mean, there's briars in there too, and there's some multiflora rose. Opportunity for a diversity of plant species, but also what's occurring in here is forest, improving the forest structure complexity. So it's not just an open forest like in here. It's going to create a thick cover, more complex forest structure. And this is not only good for deer, but it's also good for turkeys, especially right in there, nesting opportunities for turkeys.